up, everybody? How y'all doing? Once again, we are back with the mini bike and the go-kart. We're gonna probably try to, well, I've done a few things to the mini bike that I will show you here in a second. So we're probably gonna try to get the wheel back on the mini bike, get the clutch all situated and the chain all situated on the mini bike along with the brake. And then on the go-kart, the plan is to try to get it to run, maybe throw some gas in it now that we got that whole gas tank set up, and get that booted. I have new tie rods coming for the go-kart. Those will be here on Wednesday. So hopefully I can get this stuff all done and get a video out Monday. Right now I'm dealing with some computer issues, typical. Bought a new NVMe drive, tried to install it, had everything set up, everything was good. Went to go swap my new my old drives back on and like clear some of my data, and found out that if it was in a certain port, it doesn't work, so I had to move it. And then long story short, I moved it, and now Windows won't load, and I can't even install Windows on either of the drives, even with the NVMe out. So I don't know what the fuck happened. Something broke, but everything's loading. It's running RAM test right now, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully those all are successful. But yeah, man, let me show you what I did. So I painted these. They already got a little bit scratched up over here, so I gotta repaint that. And then I hit this with some red. I don't know if I necessarily like it. It ended up getting a little bit more red than I wanted it to have, and I got it on the seat like a dumbass. But I was like, yo, a little red would be cool to match with that. And then this, I painted this red. And then I hit this with some of the textured shit, but the texture didn't really come out great, unfortunately. But we got that. So the cover's red, and that's red. And then the wheel is painted black. So we got to throw the wheel back on. I got some new spacers for that. And then hopefully we can get the engine moved and get the chain tensioned right and get it rolling around. I was also thinking that, you know what, I shouldn't be putting this all together, because I need to get into here and try to basically install a little plug for the suction. I don't know if I can use this here, maybe? I don't know, unplug it. I don't, what's we, oops, sorry. I wonder. Maybe we'll try.
Roman number, ladies and gentlemen, extraordinary number. A number written by, come on.
Sorry, I can't really hear you. It's way too loud. Hello? Hello?
Already. I don't know what to do with the phone for videos, because the audio is just like dog shit every single time. When I have it set stationary, you can't hear anything, so I gotta get like an adapter and run my fucking lapel mic. But I finished covering that and putting the rail on, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Holy shit, I can't speak. And yeah, I gotta put this on. I'm gonna put that on here, get a new pole. I did just fix that pole, but if this one fits, this one's a little bit more heavy duty. Way more heavy duty. Look at that bad, Jesse. Full metal. Big boy. So we're gonna try to get that set up. Dude, there's so much noise. This is my struggle lately. I haven't had time to make a video, and then when I do, you know, whatever. We got the parts in, so that's lit. I think what I'm gonna do now is work on taking these apart. So we're set up. Let's see if we can get, oh, well, this is gonna go that way. Beautiful. Look at that. Wait, what the fuck? It was two? Or A spacer? Oh no, I didn't look at the configuration. There was a spacer. Where was the spacer? Uh-oh. I don't know. Alright, so as I was saying, you see this? We got the bolt, and we got the nut on the bolt. We're gonna go ahead and leave, we got 2 on each side done. 2. So we're gonna go bing, and fucking get rid of that. It's gonna bing up to here, and bing up to there. Not hit the snowboards. We don't wanna mess anything up out here. And welcome to Snowboard Vision. We're about halfway through, it popped out. It's a little rough, but we're okay. We'll make it work. Should do. Dangerous. Don't try this shit at home, bro. Wear glasses, wear gloves, wear proper safety gear. Use the fucking guard. Don't be dumb. Alright, so I finally got that in. Let's see if we can get this on here now. I guess we could have put it in first, but I couldn't figure out which end was right, so fuck it. Might be a little crossover, but fuck it. Oh, good lord. Alright, well, this side's on. Holy shit, this has been a process and a half. And I think if we do like so, I mean, it's pretty fucking true up. We'll see. We might have to do more. I think I might have stripped this pretty badly, not gonna lie. Everything's rethreadable though, never know. These things look pretty shit anyways, like they're not like the greatest thread quality, as you can maybe, nope, it's out of focus. Look at that. What is going on in there? There's like nothing. I don't know. So Healy coil, whatever. It doesn't fucking matter. Make it work. Solid. Well, but it is already 7:35 on Monday, the day this video is gonna come out there, brothers. So I think I'm gonna call it a day for now. I don't necessarily want to keep ripping on it. I gotta go put the kids to bed. This is getting fucking annoyed, so I'm gonna go do dad things, edit the video out, and call it a day. We'll get the other piece on and get some gas in it and try to get the other puller on and get it started tomorrow, after I do some like drywall work around the house. And then yeah, I don't know, I guess we gotta get working on the mini bike, trying to figure out the suction portion for the gas flow, which I believe we have a solution for. It's just a matter of getting that implemented. I think we could maybe put a piece in here that's got a little threaded barb, you know, dual little connector. So threaded down here, female or male thread with barb on top, and then you could use the barb to connect into the suction portion of the filter, and then bada boom bada bing, the filters will fucking work. And we don't even necessarily need to get a cover. We could just mount it ghetto-ly somehow or make our own thing. It doesn't necessarily matter. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and we'll keep working on it.